Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Then type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space C:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.